Hello everyone, how we doing? I gotta tell you, I don't know what's going on with this planet, and I don't know what people are thinking, what runs through their mind. Okay, now we got Target stores, and some idiot out there that has fabricated or manufactured a thing for the trans folks to put their junk in the trunk. I guess that's the best way to explain it. And it's going to the Target stores. I can't comprehend what runs through those people's mind. You know, I mean, they really seriously need help. A guy wanting to be a woman. So you run down to your local Target store and buy something so you can stuff your junk in the trunk. Doesn't make sense to me. I don't get it. I don't understand. There's something wrong with these people. Now, Target's probably going to go downhill for that. I mean, I won't ever go to Target. I mean, I haven't been to a Target store, I bet you, in, I don't know, 10 or 15 years. I don't know. I can't remember the last time I went into a Target store. And there was a reason for that. I don't like Target. But the CEO says that he wants to make the environment of the store feel like home. Well, I got news for you, Jackson. It don't feel like home to me. You're inviting transvestites to come into your store, and I am quite sure that everyone else feels the same way. They're not comfortable. That is the stupidest thing you could ever do. All right, you just Bud Lighted yourself. All right, this is going to go downhill. I can see it now. But I wouldn't be comfortable going in there. Now they have, from my understanding, they have designated a specific area for the trans folks to go to. All right, now keep in mind that the Target stores, all right, back in the Obama administration, they were the first ones to have a transgender bathroom. Okay, well, that went over like a lead balloon. I think it lasted, I don't know, 6 months, a year, I don't know. But eventually that petered out and they had to do something about it because it didn't work. They didn't learn anything just from that little episode. What are they going to learn from this? All right, I'm not going to Target. I don't know about you folks, but I'm not going. They've got nothing there for me. But anyway, leave me comments down below. I don't care if they're negative or positive. I could care less. I don't care. I don't know. I just want to get other views and opinions of how you feel about this, because I'm uncomfortable with it, and it just makes me wonder, where the hell is this planet going to? Where are we going to? What are these people doing? Why do they, I mean, when they came out of the closet, I don't know, back in the 70s or 80s, whatever the case may be. Back in my day, back in the 70s and stuff like that, we used to beat the crap out of them. That's what we did. And I think maybe now, well, you can't do that. There's too many restrictions. All you got to do is look at them the wrong way, they'll sue you. But anyway, I'm going to make this short. So just, I don't know, I need some more ideas. So leave some comments, subscribe if you would, please, and hit the like button, notification bell if you want more videos like this, and I will get to work on them. But I just can't, I don't know, I can't, this is beyond me. Where is this going? We've got to do something about it. We have to, well, I don't know about you folks, but us that are against transgender stuff, that we know that's a problem. They need psychological help. They are crazy. They are mental. So we need to do something about that. And the only way that can be done is if we all stand together and just put a stop to it, because it's stupid. You know. So anyway, like I said, leave your comments below, and we'll bring this up later on. If I get, I don't know, positive comments, we'll do another and we'll talk about this. Maybe I'll even go live with it. So subscribe and like and hit the notification bell, and I'll get back to more complaining in the next video. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.